Things are gonna get weird, even for me, because I did some batshit stupid stuff. So this is a reusable array with 3 elements in it that we're gonna use for a bubble sort. In FILE196, we have a maximum of 3 function, which is probably going to be red, green, and blue bytes that we want to find the maximum of. We're going to error check and make sure that nothing is negative, and then we're going to initialize the max to a negative value, and then we're just going to do these 3 comparisons to get the max value of those 3 inputs and spit out the output max. Low join is really just a min function with a weird-ass name. We're going to get the minimum of the red, green, and blue bytes. And the reason I called it low join was because I was thinking of a join or an intersection between the 2 lowest values. Just some fucking crazy stuff. So anyways, we're going to use a bubble sort. So we're going to load the red, green, and blue into our reusable array from here. And then we're going to do a bubble sort. This is a bubble sort, right? So did we swap? Here's the index. Here's the minimum value, the maximum value, infinite loop, right? So did get set to 0. We loop through everything and we compare, right? We compare the 2 values. And if this value is greater than that value, we swap them. We flag as swapping. And if we go through here, if we go through the whole array without swapping, then the did flag won't get set, and we will exit the infinite loop. That's kind of how a bubble sort works. Crash course on bubble sort. Yay! Okay, and then we return low join 0, which is just the minimum of those 3 values. Then in Izu converted to Libinti, if we scroll down here, we want to calculate lum510. So here's the function pointers to the max and min function. We're going to get the max of the RGB. That'll be our anchor. And then we're going to get the minimum of the RGB. That's going to be our additive value. We're going to add 255 and lum add together to get lum510. So it's in the range 0 to 510 inclusive. We'll make sure it is right here. This is my custom lum type that I've derived from MS Paint because I'm a fucking hack. And we'll do more code in the next video, but we're out of time. So here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes and stuff, and here's what we did in this video and all that good stuff. Like and subscribe! And if you want a longer explanation, go here. You're on the advanced playlist here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.